Is your Shopify 20 theme showing empty product sections after a migration? Let's fix that. First, we need to access your theme's customization settings from your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store and then Themes, find your current theme and click the Customize button. Once in the Theme Customizer, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you manage your theme's sections. Often, product sections are added here if you don't see any product-related sections, or if they appear empty. That's our first clue. The most common reason products aren't showing is that the product section simply hasn't been added or configured yet. Click on Add section. It's usually at the bottom of the sidebar. Browse through the available sections and look for something like Featured Products, Collection List, or a similar product-centric section. Click on the one that best suits your needs. After adding the section, you'll see it appear either in your sidebar or directly on the page preview. Now, we need to configure it. Click on the newly added section in the sidebar. In the configuration panel that appears, you'll typically find options to select a specific collection or manually choose individual products to display. Make sure you select a valid collection that actually has products in it, or add products if the section allows. After selecting your products or collection, you should see them populate on the preview if your products are still not showing. It might be a theme conflict. This usually happens if you've transferred settings from an older theme. You might need to reapply some product-specific settings or check for any custom code that might be blocking them. Finally, a quick check: ensure you're truly on the Shopify 20 architecture. You can usually find this information within your theme settings or by checking your theme's documentation if you migrated from a very old theme. If these steps don't resolve your issue, consider reaching out to your theme developer for specific assistance.